Hey guys, Mr. Regan. Today we're going to look at slip and slide factoring. So we have a polynomial in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to use this slip and slide factoring method. So essentially, when there's a number in front of the x squared. Alright, so we want to factor 3x squared plus 17x plus 10. So our first step, we take this 3 and we multiply it by 10. So now the 3 is not there, so we have x squared plus 17x plus the 3 times 10 is 30. Right, next is we factor the trinomial. Okay, so we have x and x. Two numbers that multiply equal 30, add equals 17. So that would be positive 2, positive 15. Right, now we take that number that we slid over to the 10, this 3 here, and we put it in the denominator, right there. Now we have to simplify these fractions. 2/3 is already simplified, no problem. 15 over 3, we're going to simplify that to 5 over 1. All right, now we're going to slide again. We're going to take the denominator and slide it in front of the x. 3x plus 2, the 2 is still there for the numerator. We'll slide that 1 over in front of the x. 1x plus 5. And then we add 3x plus 2 times the quantity, x plus 5. We have factored our trinomial. All right, let's look at another one. 12x squared plus 13x minus 4. All right, so that first step is to take that number and slide it over here. We're going to multiply it. So no longer is there a 12 there, so just x squared plus 13x minus 12 times 4 is 48. All right, now we have a trinomial. We're going to factor our trinomial. So I need two numbers that I multiply to get negative 48, add to get positive 13. And I think that's going to be minus 3 and plus 16. Yep. All right. So now I take that number that I slid over and multiplied by 4, which is a 12, and I put it into the denominators like that. I simplify the fractions. 3 over 12 can be reduced to 1/4. 16 over 12 can be reduced to 4/3. All right, now I get to slide again. I take the denominator and it goes in front of the x now. So 4x minus 1, the numerator 1 stays. Same thing here. I slide the 3 over. 3x plus the numerator 4 stays there. And I get 4x, the quantity 4x minus 1 times the quantity 3x plus 4. There we go. Alright, here's one more for you to try. So pause the video here, give this a shot, come back and then watch me do it and see if we get the same answer. Good luck. Alright. Sliding that 5 over, meaning I'm multiplying it. So the 5's not there. X squared minus 22x. But when I slide it over and multiply it, 5 times 8 is 40. Alright, trinomial. I'm going to factor that. X and x. Two numbers that I multiply equal positive 40 and add equal negative 22. And that's going to be minus 2 minus 20. I now take that number that I slid over, that 5, and I put it in the denominator. I simplify the fractions. 2/5 is already simplified. That's nice. 20 over 5, I'm going to simplify to 4 over 1. You don't want it to be a whole number. You still want it to be a fraction. So 4 over 1. Now I'm going to slide those denominators back in front of the x there. So 5x minus 2. Slide that over. 1x minus 4. And I have the quantity 5x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 4. Don't forget, if you're ever not sure about your answer, use the FOIL method to multiply them and see if you get the original polynomial. All right, good luck. Slip and slide method, guys. I think you're going to like it.